Hello, my name is Helen Les, and today we will speak about 10 signs that you can be a witch in your character. A witch, an inborn one, can understand it or not, but he or she is always in a very strong connection to the universe and nature. And so they get a lot of information and feed with energy. Thanks to this connection, witches have very developed intuition that can sometimes pass into clear knowledge, clairvoyance, clairaudience, and other paranormal abilities. Some of them can feel people's thoughts and feelings very deeply. Some of them can also feel the energy of objects, places, animals, and so on very deeply either. Connection with nature. Witches are very closely related to nature. They feel very deep connection with it. And that's why they like to study and use the qualities of plants, herbs, stones, essences, etc. They also have got a very strong connection with animals. Quite often witches have so-called familiar animals that are usually cats. Such pets are very close friends to witches. This is because there is some energy connection between both of them, and the animals really help the witches on the refined astral plane. Understanding of human imperfection. Very often witches would like to live alone, to escape from others. This is because they understand all the imperfection of human beings. Sometimes it is not the direct knowledge, but something that witches understand somewhere deep in soul. But at the same time, they would like to help others, and their tendency can contradict the previous one and cause some inner conflict. But this was about only good or so-called white witches. Alas, there are so-called black or evil witches, and they have the irresistible wish to harm everyone. Even being school children, they can cast hexes, curses, or love spells on other children and adults. Deep dreams. Even being children, witches can have very deep mystic dreams that can be prophetic. And they can, for example, sometimes fly in a dream and understand that they are sleeping. This is so-called lucid dreams. That means that witches have high consciousness, and sometimes they can use lucid dreams or conscious dreams in their witchcraft. They are very creative personalities, and they try themselves in a lot of arts, science and other activities. But they feel everywhere that it is not their cup of tea, and that this is not their mission. And their mission is to develop and use their magic abilities. Until they understand that they are witches, they can have a lot of problems in life. They can have money problems, problems in relations, in love relations, in relationships with other people, any sorts of problems. Some of them really have a real catastrophe in life. Some of them can have very strong headaches, but when they start practice, all these problems disappear. Yes, and they sometimes can have a lot of magic enemies, and a lot of people connected with magic surround them, as if hinting that they should pay attention to this sphere. Alas, there is a degrading branch in the development of magicians. They are, as I have already said, black ones, and they can't resist the temptation of their secret power and let go all their bad traits of character, such as enviness, greediness, hatred, wish to dominate, to manipulate, and so on. Well, on my channel there are other videos how you can understand that you are a witch, and I described the signs in your appearance and in your life. So look for them in the description box down below. There are also other videos on witchcraft, so subscribe to the channel.
If you want to understand deeper all magic and energy processes around you, then my author deck Tarot of Magic can be helpful for you. It was made easy to understand even for beginners, because I call in it all magic terms their own names. For example, love spell, magic theft, energy vampirism, curse, protection, cleansing, and many others. The link will be down below in the description of this video. If it was helpful, like, comment, share this video in social networks, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.